previous video, we have already configured tariff with a rate of 3 cents a minute to Spain and the rest of the EU countries. We may need to modify this rate later, but not for all customers at the same time, just for some of them. Basically, we may need to apply special conditions to a particular customer depending on how they use the service. Spoiler alert, we are going to use volume discount plans for this. So when does such a price change come along? We may wish to give a particular customer a free amount of service, minutes of voice calls or gigs of data every month. Or, for example, a large company requests a price lower than usual because they are planning to send a huge amount of calls through our system. Instead of giving them the requested price up front, the best solution for both parties is to offer them a volume discount plan in which the prices will dynamically decrease depending on the number of calls already sent through the system. We will look at a practical case very soon, but let's recap very quickly what a volume discount plan is. As the name itself suggests, volume discount plan offers a discount based on volume. So in general terms, this means that the price for the service can be different for different customers, even if in the tariff, the price for the service is the same. Volume discount plan can be assigned to product, customer, or account. To give you a quick heads up, for our practical task, we are going to assign the volume discount we're going to create to the product. Let's go to our web interface. To find product, we can either type product in our search field or go to the service catalog and products. I have already created a test product. And to find our discount plan, we go to charges, general info, default discount plan, and we select the desired discount plan. This is our test discount plan as well. So we click save and it's done. Volume discount plan can also be assigned at customer level. To find customer, we go to sales customers. This is our test customer for the purposes of this video. And to assign a volume discount plan on a customer level, we are going to services, bundles, discount plan, and we choose the same discount plan as we did before. Click save. If we assign a volume discount plan to a customer, all the discounts will apply to all accounts existing under this customer. Theoretically, a volume discount plan can be assigned to an account of a customer. So we go here to our account, services, bundles. But this is only a backward compatibility feature from the legacy times, and it is no longer used. To find volume discount plans on our web interface, we need to go to Service Catalog, Bundles, Volume Discount Plans, or simply type it in the search field. In the database, volume discount plans are stored in the volume discount plans table. Next, let's have a look at the parameter set that we need to define to create our volume discount plan. Let's go directly to our web interface for this. We will find our volume discount plans in Service Catalog, Bundles, Volume Discount Plans. If it's on search, you need to click create, and then we need to specify a name, of course. So let's make it something intuitive, like 200 minutes to Germany, for example. Then we need to choose the currency. Here you should keep in mind that volume discount plan can only be assigned to a customer or a product with the same currency. Okay, let's skip this one for the moment and choose our destination group set first. As you may remember from our previous video, that destination group sets are defined with a specific goal. So basically, they are tailored to the needs of a specific partner or a specific product that we've designed. Let's choose EasyCo Advanced here, the one that we've created recently. A very important thing to remember here is once we click Save here, it will be impossible to change the destination group set in this volume discount plan. The reason is very simple. Discounts are applied to specific groups, and these groups are clearly defined. If changes were allowed, this would lead to errors in the billing of services. Our next parameter is apply discounts to. We have two options here: individual combinations of service, destination group, and service pool. We are going to choose the first option here, as it will be useful to us in most cases. Service pool would be needed if we wanted the customer to consume several different types of services, for example, voice calls and mobile internet, and to draw funds from a single virtual balance. With this purpose, we would need to create standard units or credits and determine how many of these units would be a gigabyte of data or a minute of voice calls worth. This allows us to provide a discount for different services at the same time. However, we're not going to consider a service pool in these tutorial series. Let's go back to the rest of the options now. Our next option here is destination group lookup type. Here we define a destination group set for the entire volume discount plan. Then a volume discount plan consists of volume discount groups, just like a destination group set does. And for each one of these groups, we set the destination group for the discounts. This is important to know. And here we have three options, basically. Same three options on my mind map here. The first lookup type is called exact match, and it is our default lookup type. There is nothing better than a practical example to understand how this exact match works. So let's say, for example, that we are dialing this number. It's a fixed line in Czech Republic. Okay, the prefix is 4202. And this is our first step. We've dialed the number. The next step is to find a corresponding destination in our tariff. Okay, if no corresponding destination is found, then the call simply doesn't go through. So let's go to our tariff, okay, and search for a corresponding destination. We found 4202, okay, for Czech Republic and Prague. It means that our call will go through, okay? But now we need to know whether it's going to be charged regularly or according to a volume discount plan. So our next step is to find the same destination in the volume discount plan. The destinations in the volume discount plan are set through destination group sets. Okay, let's go to our destination group set used in the volume discount plan. This is our destination group set called EasyCo Advanced, and let's search for destinations. Okay, in our destination group EU, we have two destinations for Czech Republic, 420 and 4202. Okay, the exact match means that the discount will apply only if 4202 exists in this destination group set. It does. Call will not be charged. It will be processed as quota. What would happen if we hadn't found the exact same destination 4202 in our destination group set? Let's say we only had 420 in our destination group set. If the exact match is set in the configuration, this call would be charged using the EasyCall Advanced tariff, not the quota. Partial match and the destination lookup works almost exactly the same, with one big difference that lies in the third step. But let's go step by step. So our first step is to dial the number. We are going to dial the same number. It's a fixed line in Czech Republic, as I've already mentioned. Okay. Our second step stays the same. So we are going to search for the corresponding destination in our tariff. We're going back to our tariff, our EasyCall Advanced tariff, and we have this destination 4202 here. Okay. The destination in our tariff is 4202. The third step is to either look for the same destination as the one found in the tariff or for a less specific one. So here, in order for the discount to apply to our call, we need to find either 4202 or 420 in our destination group set. So here we have both. But if we had only 420, our discount would still apply. Our third lookup type is rate pattern match. When it is selected, the destination lookup is based on rate pattern, but we will not consider this in the scope of our PortaSwitch 101 course. Have selected same destination as rate. It is our total match, and we are ready to click save. Now our discount plan is in the draft status because we haven't added any discount groups yet. We can do it here. Our volume discount plan is like an umbrella. It consists of discount groups. It's very similar to our destination group set and destination groups. So basically our volume discount plan can consist of one or several discount groups. They can be of the same or of different types. Okay. So once inside our volume discount plan, we can create several types of discount groups. The first type is quota. Quota always revolves around an amount of free service. We're going to have a separate chapter on quota, so let's skip to the next type. Discount. Yes, a discount group type discount. Very easy to remember. So when can such a discount group be used? If a customer asks for discounts on a large number of calls, we can offer them gradual discounts. For example, after 1000 minutes, a 20% discount would be applied, and after 2000, a 30% discount. I can show you how to configure it very quickly. So basically, we can choose any destination group and set our thresholds. So we say 1000 minutes. The discount is 20%. Okay. And we add a second threshold. Maybe I have to save it first. Yes, and now I add a second threshold, 2000 minutes, and a 30% discount. And I save it again. So now, after the first threshold is reached, a 20% discount will apply, and after the second threshold is reached, a 30% discount will apply. In addition to quota and discount, there's a third discount group type. It's service wallet. It's basically a virtual wallet to which you can add a balance for the use of one service. But unlike quota, it's not updated periodically. We haven't said about quota yet, but we're going to in our next chapter. So there can be several service wallets under the same volume discount plan, and they can cover different types of services. Each service wallet can be topped up separately. What's the practical use? With it, you can launch an ad campaign to attract new customers, promising, for example, everyone who signs up for mobile internet that they will receive a $20 credit for calls to Spain. This promotion doesn't necessarily need to expire in 1 month. It can be either unlimited in time or an expiration date can be chosen in the system. Service wallets are not useful only to apply promotion, but also to encourage the customers to use a particular service. For example, if we apply a $20 balance directly to the customer's account, it may be used for any service. But if we create a service wallet with a $20 balance for voice calls to Spain, then this credit, this balance cannot be used for any other service or destination. Another type of promotion we can offer is to pay $10 to get a $15 credit, also limited to calls, for example, to USA, voice calls to USA. When the promotion is over, the customer can choose whether and how to top up their service wallet. So let's create a service wallet for the sake of the example. Let's choose service wallet here, voice calls, money spent, and let's say it's calls to Spain. Okay, so we are going to set it up now. Our advanced configuration allows us setting an initial balance. This will be our promotion, for example. Let's click save and then configure top-ups. So let's say the fee is $10, and for this fee we are getting a $15 top-up amount or credit. We can specify a lifetime, for example 180 days. If this credit is not used up by then, it will expire. We have already discussed that volume discount plans can be assigned to several entities in our Porta billing system. For example, the main product, add-on product, customer, and account. Our account feature is obsolete, so it's here because it exists, but it's sort of grayed out because we are no longer going to use it. But let's say now we have a service wallet that contains a $20 credit for calls to Spain assigned to each one of these entities. First, the credit on the main product will be used, then on the add-on product, and then on the customer.